Fit the 2 poles into the base by aligning the holes. Insert the 4 large bolts and washers in each side and tighten with the hex key. Attach the crossbar at the top of the display by using the 2 small bolts and washers. Be sure the sign channel holder faces upward and is attached on the back side of the poles. Starting from the bottom, fit the shelves into the holes provided. For Welch suspender displays, only the top shelf should be installed. Insert the sign into the crossbar